Fascinating facts about dogs in the realm of fascinating creatures. Diversity is the hallmark of the canine world. From tiny Chihuahuas to massive Great Danes, dogs display an incredible range of shapes, sizes, and coat patterns. As social animals, dogs thrive on companionship. Their loyalty and affection make them a vital part of countless families, offering unwavering support and genuine friendship. So next time you spend time with your furry friend, remember that behind those adorable eyes lies a rich history of evolution, intelligence, and unbreakable bonds. Dogs truly are a marvel of scientific wonder,